Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. The Parshva Ekadashi is considered more important as it falls during the phase of Chaturmas when Lord Vishnu sleeps. As per mythological stories, on this day, Lord Vishnu takes a turn from his left side to his right side, which gives this Ekadashi the name Parshva Ekadashi or Parivartini Ekadashi. This is a very suitable period for austerities, observing fast, meditation, and other religious rituals. It is a time to remain in faith, enhance devotion, and gives an opportunity to be in service of Lord Vishnu and other divine beings. Observing the Parshva Ekadashi Vrat brings multiple benefits. It obliterates sins of devotees, empowers with strong willpower, good health, wealth, spiritual growth, happiness, and much more. The Ekadashi Vrat, when observed with sincerity, leads to salvation by the virtues earned by devotee. Observing the Parshva Ekadashi Vrat is one of the best ways to receive the blessings of Lord Vishnu. Every Ekadashi has a presiding deity, which are various forms names of Lord Vishnu. The Parshva Ekadashi is presided by Lord Vaman, which is the Vaman avatar, the fifth among the Dasha avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vaman is described as a dwarf-sized Brahmin with youthful appearance. The Parshva Ekadashi Vrat Katha narrates the story of appearance of Lord Vaman and his importance. The Parshva Ekadashi Vrat assures the blessings of Lord Vaman, Vishnu. The auspicious Parshva or Parivartini Ekadashi is a day when everyone who can should observe fast or Vrat for earning the merits. After taking a bath early morning, the devotee should take the sankalpa of fasting throughout the day till next morning, when the tithi of breaking the fast is appropriate. Worshipping Lord Vaman, Vishnu, as per the prescribed rituals. Chant mantras, sing praises, and serve Lord Vaman throughout the day. Remain in a spiritual mood and be calm. Remain awake throughout the night in full consciousness, as sleeping on Ekadashi night is not allowed if the Parshva Ekadashi Vrat is observed. Charity and donations made on Parshva Ekadashi is believed to be good for the devotee. The Parshva Ekadashi Vrat Katha had been narrated by Lord Krishna to Maharaj Yudhishthir when he wanted to know about the Shukla Paksha Ekadashi in the Bhadrapad month from the Lord. Bali was a demon king but was religious and spiritual minded. He was a devotee of Lord Vishnu, performed many yajnas, was kind and did charity to the needy Brahmins, and was very caring to the cows. Because of his spiritual behavior and religious practices, he had earned merits which made him very powerful. However, due to some conflict with King Indra, the king of the heavenly realm, King Bali waged war with Lord Indra and won. He became the ruler of heaven and made all the demigods powerless. Bali also extended his supremacy over earth and Patal Lok, neither world. The demigods, and along with King Indra, approached Lord Vishnu and humbly asked for an immediate solution. Hearing their plight, Lord Vishnu assured them of a solution and decided to appear in the Vaman avatar, the dwarf Brahmin manifestation. King Bali was performing the Ashwamedh Yajna. Lord Vishnu as Lord Vaman reached King Bali's Yajna and asked King Bali for donation. Seeing the dwarf Brahmin with a youthful appearance, King Bali underestimated him. Bali told Lord Vaman to ask for anything and he would be given that. Lord Vaman told Bali that he wants only that much land which his 3 steps can cover. King Bali smiled and immediately said yes. The moment Bali agreed, the dwarf Lord Vaman grew to a gigantic size, and with his first step he covered the whole of heaven and the second step covered the whole of earth. By this time, King Bali understood that the youthful dwarf Brahmin was no one else but Lord Hari Vishnu. Lord Vaman now asked Bali where he should place his third step, as heaven and earth were already covered. With devotion and reverence, King Bali offered his head and asked Lord Vaman to put his lotus feet on his head. Lord Vaman placed his third step on King Bali's head and pushed him to Patal Lok, neither world. King Bali was clearly taught a lesson by Lord Vaman. Later, King Bali asked all the demigods Lord Indra to forgive him for his behavior and deeds. Pleased, Lord Vishnu promised King Bali that he would always be present in the dwelling of the king. As per the story, King Bali established an idol of Lord Vaman on the auspicious day of Parshva Parivartini Ekadashi. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.